Hey guys, I'm going to explain to you Threads account visibility. So, your Threads account visibility depends on your privacy settings and how your account is connected to Instagram. So, here's what you need to know. So, public account, it means anyone can view your profile, posts, replies, and reposts, even if they don't follow you. Next is private account. So, only approved followers can see your posts, replies, and profile details. So, new followers must send a follow request, which you can approve or decline. Next is profile discovery, so people may still be able to find your Threads profile through search, your username, or your link Instagram account depending on your settings. Next, you have replies and interactions. So your replies may be visible to others based on the privacy settings of both your account and the original post. Next is follower control, so you can remove followers or block users at any time to limit who can interact with your account. Now, to manage your account visibility, you can open the Threads app, then tap your profile picture. Next, tap the two line in the top right corner. Next, from here, select privacy. Next, select profile privacy. Then turn private profile on or off depending on who you want to see your content. So, if you wish to make your account private, just toggle it on and click OK, just like so. So, a private profile gives you the most control over who can view and interact with your thread's content, while a public profile makes your post accessible to everyone. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.